Nom, you had me in stitches. You and Annette and Sherry and Artie. I've got to say that because it's true. I was laughing my head off. Only you guys could come up with that. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Yeah, Karen Carpenter rocked my world. Well, this has been impassable along here for the last few days because of the rain, and it's a bit muddy, isn't it? Careful where you step. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's very muddy. I love these early morning walks. Cold air really makes you feel alive. Boy, is it cold. Okay, enough yakking. Let's go and have a look around. Here's a coot hiding in the reeds. A couple of swans over the background there. Some gadwalls. Oh, it's beautiful here. Let's go further around. Well, the long-tailed tits were a bit too quick for us, so I just had to sit there and watch. And there's a magpie over there in the tree. Let's go and have a look. A familiar face. The mallard duck, the drake, the male, and the female. And of course the bulrush is there. Mr. Magpie decided he was going to fly off, didn't want to be filmed. Canada geese. I think that's number 6 squadron. And here comes number 7 squadron. And number 8 squadron. And soloist. Long-tailed tits. See, they just don't keep still enough. There he is. Aren't they gorgeous? They'll be gone by the time I get up there. We have a little dunnock down there in the mud. As he just flew over here. And there he is, bless him, the tree. Well, spring is almost here, and this tree doesn't want to let go of his leaves. And the fallen leaves are still there. There's a coot and there's a great crested grebe. They don't mind the cold, do they? There's a coot and a swan. The wind's starting to pick up a bit now, and it looks like rain. And of course I'm wearing waterproofs. Not. But I don't care, because I'm out here and it's awesome. Little blue tit. Isn't it wonderful? I hope I can get out down the bottom there. Otherwise, it's a long walk back. Well, we're about halfway around now, and isn't it gorgeous? All the teasel. Now, for those of you who don't know what teasel is, it's this plant. This is teasel. I used to call it ladybird houses, because I used to always be in them. That was a long time ago. I was only 6 or 7. Yeah, last week. I've been putting together a playlist with short clips between 1 and 2 minutes long of the various UK garden birds, and there'll be waterfowl and squirrels and what have you. Birds that we've come across during making of these videos, so you can all see the individual birds themselves. I know it's time consuming, and a lot of people don't get that much time, so I don't expect you to view every video every day as soon as it's released. The videos will remain there. You can watch them anytime you like, whenever you want to. Comment, rate, do what you want. They'll be there for you when you have the time to watch them. A few weeks ago we stepped into a puddle, and it's still here. It was covered in snow and ice. Now it's very wet. A little oasis for the birds.